Kolkata, a vibrant metropolis in eastern India, is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. However, beneath its bustling streets lies a hidden threat: leaning buildings. This issue, long whispered about, has recently come to light with alarming frequency. Over the past few weeks, numerous buildings in Kolkata have begun to tilt precariously. This unsettling phenomenon is not merely a cosmetic issue. It represents a serious structural concern, jeopardizing the safety of residents and the city's infrastructure. The problem of leaning buildings in Kolkata is not new. It has been observed for decades, often dismissed as an unfortunate quirk of the city. However, the increasing number of cases highlights a deeper issue: the urgent need for improved construction practices and urban planning in Kolkata. The safety of its citizens depends on it. The tilting structures serve as a stark reminder that the ground beneath Kolkata is constantly shifting. This instability is primarily due to the city's unique soil composition, which poses significant challenges for construction. Understanding these challenges is crucial to finding effective solutions and ensuring the safety of Kolkata's residents. Kolkata is situated on the banks of the Hooghly River, a distributary of the Ganges. This location, while picturesque, comes with a unique geological challenge. The city rests on a bed of alluvial soil, primarily composed of clay. Clay, known for its fine particles and water retention capacity, is notoriously unstable. When dry, it shrinks, and when wet, it expands. This constant fluctuation in volume puts tremendous stress on the foundations of buildings. In addition to clay, the soil in many parts of Kolkata also contains layers of silt and sand. This mixture, known as lacustrine soil, is particularly susceptible to a phenomenon called differential settlement. Differential settlement occurs when different parts of a building sink at varying rates, causing the structure to tilt. This uneven settling is a major contributor to the leaning buildings in Kolkata. The very ground on which Kolkata stands is in constant flux. Buildings, especially those constructed without considering the properties of this dynamic soil, become vulnerable to tilting and structural damage. Addressing this issue requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing stringent soil testing, appropriate foundation design, and responsible urban planning. The first line of defense against leaning buildings lies in understanding the ground itself. Thorough soil testing is paramount before any construction project. This process involves analyzing soil samples from various depths to determine their composition, bearing capacity, and potential for settlement. However, the current state of soil testing in Kolkata leaves much to be desired. Many projects rely on inadequate or outdated testing methods, leading to inaccurate assessments of soil conditions. This lack of precision can have disastrous consequences, as buildings are designed based on flawed data. Moreover, cost-cutting measures often lead to developers opting for cheaper, less comprehensive soil tests. This short-sighted approach ignores the long-term risks associated with building on unstable ground. The consequences are evident in the leaning buildings scattered across Kolkata. Beyond soil testing, the actual construction practices play a crucial role in building stability. Foundations, the unseen heroes of any structure, must be designed to withstand the challenges posed by Kolkata's soil. Techniques like piling, which involves driving long columns deep into the ground to transfer the building's load to more stable layers, are essential. The issue of leaning buildings in Kolkata is not solely a technical one. It is a complex problem rooted in a web of social, economic, and administrative factors. While the soil composition poses inherent challenges, it is the human element that often exacerbates the situation. Developers, driven by profit margins, sometimes prioritize speed and cost-cutting over building integrity. This often translates to compromised construction quality, inadequate foundations, and a disregard for proper building codes. Administrators, too, share the burden of responsibility. Lax enforcement of building regulations, coupled with bureaucratic hurdles, creates an environment where substandard construction can thrive. Addressing this multifaceted problem requires a collaborative approach. Engineers with their technical expertise must design buildings that can withstand the challenges posed by Kolkata's soil. Developers must prioritize quality construction and adhere to stringent building codes, even if it means slightly higher costs. Administrators have a crucial role to play in enforcing building regulations, streamlining approval processes, and promoting transparency in the construction industry. The safety of Kolkata's citizens depends on a collective commitment to building responsibly. This means investing in thorough soil testing, adopting appropriate construction techniques, and fostering a culture of accountability within the construction industry. Only then can Kolkata stand tall, its buildings a testament to safety and resilience, rather than a warning of what happens when the ground beneath us shifts.